Comet Atlas has fragmented it in at least to 4 pieces. These 4 pieces are moving together, as you can see in this Hubble Space Telescope image. And you can see they are brightening and fading up as the time goes by. But why the comet was fragmented in the first place? Rosetta spacecraft has shown that comets are made of dust and blocks of ice. Some of them are really in awkward positions. And eventually they will fall into lower positions in the nucleus of the comet. You can see the debris of such collapses in the lower part of this image. These are caused by the jets and winds of the water vapor. You can see such jets in this image. They come from the lowest point of the comet. Actually, this comet is a good candidate for fragmentation. These mass movements of the ice and dust are similar to Earth's avalanches. Avalanche on Earth causes fragmentation of the masses of snow and ice from the mountains. In this satellite image, you see some of the effects of the avalanche on the lake in the Tibet. So, fragmentation events are on the way everywhere in the comets. And Atlas is one of them. It has fragmented already. The avalanche in space. Can you believe it? We live in very exciting times. Stay safe.